car. 51520, you guys are on scene at that fight. That's not going on with the room. We do have a fight.
Put it in park! Put it in park! Put your car in park!
Put it in park!
Put your car in park!
Turn the vehicle off!
Sir, put your car in park!
Sir! Put your car in park!
Good, buddy? What's going on, man?
You're awesome.
All sweet?
We appreciate it.
What's up, buddy? Fine. You know what happened?
You know what's your name, bud?
We're gonna have the ambulance come check you out, okay?
You know what your name is, bud? Yeah, what's your name? What's that? Grant? Okay. I'm gonna have you step out, okay, Grant? Your seatbelt's still on, okay? Sure. Why don't you step out for me, Grant, okay? You got any medical conditions we need to know about, Grant?
Grant, how you doing?
Fuck you.
Huh?
Okay.
How much have you had to drink tonight, Grant?
Enough.
You've had enough to drink tonight? Okay. Why don't you take a seat on the curb for me right here, okay? Just sit down right here. Sit down right there for me. Where are you going, Grant? Sit down.
Try to sit down.
Sit down.
Try to.
Okay, sit down then, or I'm gonna make you sit. Either you sit or I make you sit. One of the two.
Thank you, sir. Sometimes he gets on my address.
He should be right here. Walking back to the other car. Whoa, Grant, you gotta take a seat for me, okay, bud? I don't want you to fall and hurt yourself, okay? Just sit tight for me, okay? Have you step right back here, okay?
Hey.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, man.
Dude, he can't even stand. Can you stand without falling? Okay.
Grant, do you still work in the prosecutor's office?
Okay.
You want to do any field sobriety tests tonight, Grant?
Do I really?
No.
No? Okay.
That's fine.
All right.
We're gonna have a seat in the back of our wagon, okay? We have to put you in cuffs right now, okay? So this is what's gonna happen, sir.
Put your hands behind your back for me. Okay.
We're stuck in a position where we have to do our job, sir. There's nothing against you. All right, we're gonna treat you with the utmost respect.
Get your Grant.
Okay.
So this is
We'll figure it out, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna have you take. What's that? Go ahead. What's up? Okay.
We're just gonna sit in the back of our wagon right now. We gotta do some paperwork and.
Okay. Alright, when you step up, watch your head. Bend down and watch your head, okay? I'm gonna walk over.